In this video, I'm going to show you how to close Plus500 account. Now, the first thing you have to do is sign into your account, and then you want to go and first go to open positions and close all of these open positions, okay? That's the first requirement you have to do, and then you also want to cancel or close all the orders, okay? So whenever you do both of these and you have zeros over here, so there's no blue numbers, that's the first thing you have to do. Now, if you are on a demo account, you also want to go to your real account and do the exact same thing on your real account as well. And then what you also have to do is withdraw all the funds, all the money from your real account, okay? So if you are using your real money, you want to withdraw it onto your bank or whatever you were using. So again, first delete and close all the positions and orders on both real and demo accounts, then go to your real account and withdraw all the funds. After you do this, you want to go to live support, bottom left, click on live support, and then over here you can start a new conversation and you can request a deletion over there. So tell them you'd like to delete your account, that you've done everything I've said, so you've basically closed the positions, orders, and you basically have withdrawn the funds. If you haven't done that, they will of course tell you have to do that as well. So, of course, that's one way. They may tell you that, of course, they can do that and they will close it for you, but in some cases, they may request you to actually use this one, so live support and then the contact form, and then they may prompt you to basically type in your name, address, and the subject over here. Subject can be, for example, closure of my account or account closure. Type of query could be account details or other, and then just describe in here you want to close your account, and you can just confirm this, click on send query, and they'll get back to you with your account deletion information. And of course they will process your request upon your of course request. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. That's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.